Today we're at Greenlee, and we're going to be going over their new drill and tap bit set and the new step bit set.
Today we're going to be drilling out with our new double step bit, mild steel. We do have a version for stainless steel. Has a split tip on there, so it will allow the step bit to stay in one position and not jump around.
How many stops and how many steps does it have? And what are stops and steps?
So you have your 3 different stops and about 24 different steps, and what the steps are going to do is allow the hole to be nice and clean and not have any jagged edges or any burrs on the inside of the hole. And
each step can represent a different size hole, right?
Yes, yes they do.
But the stops are where you would normally stop, like
Correct.
7/8 inch.
So you have a 1/2 inch, you have 7/8, and you have an inch and 1/8 on each stop.
Okay, so we got stops and steps. Is this a new bit for Greenlee?
Yes, this is a new bit for Greenlee. We have different types for mild steel, and we have them for stainless steel as well.
Okay, what's this type?
This is for mild steel.
Okay, let's see it.
All right, here we go. See, it's a nice clean cut. The step bit's not hot to touch either.
Wow, that's nice. That was fast too.
This is mild steel, but the step
steel.
bit is not hot to touch after I just drilled that hole either.
Okay.
So I can touch it right after we drill the hole.
Wow, that was impressive.
Okay. So next we're going to be testing out our D-tap kit. It's a drill and tap all at the same time, and also has a deburring tool at the end. So you have 3 tools all in one, and this is optimized for stainless steel.
Great, let's see it.
There we go. There we go.
Very nice. So that's all tapped out.
That's all tapped out.
It's drilled and tapped all in one. This is your set for the step bits?
Yes, this is our set for the mild steel step bits, and then this is our stainless steel set for the drill and tapping.
Okay, so when will these be available?
These are available this week.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, very good. And what's the approximate price point?
Price point
it's going to be different stock.
Price point on the stainless steel tap bits are going to be around $50, and for the step bits you're looking around like $200.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Good job. I'll put links in my video description for Greenlee drill and tap sets and for Greenlee step bits, including the double flute step bits. I'll also put a link for a popular set from Greenlee, which is the Greenlee 7-piece stainless steel hole cutter kit. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.
There we go.
Driving down.
Thanks for watching.
So those contractors can help meet their 1025.